Hi, this is John here again for CoolYeah Hooks. Today, we're going to talk about a nice little upgrade and the 5 different sizes of CoolYeah steel garage storage hooks currently available on Amazon. First, we have the small J hook, the large J hook, the small U hook, the large U hook, and the long U hook. So, whether it's the garage, basement, or shed, CoolYeah has the hooks to help you organize your space. Let me show you just how easy they are to install. Now, I've already decided where I'm going to install my hooks for this wall, and installing them when you have a stud is pretty easy and straightforward, but what if you need to install them on a part of the wall and you don't have a stud? Don't worry, CoolYeah provides you with wall anchors that are perfect for installing into drywall, sheetrock, or plasterboard. So let me show you just how simple it really is. First, mark where you want to install the wall anchor. Then tap the wall anchor gently into the wall to get it started and gently tighten it. Be sure not to over tighten here. You just want a snug fit. Now you want to do this for the top and the bottom. Next, align the hook to the black plastic anchor, then attach your hook with the provided fine thread screws. And just like that, we're done. Repeat this process until you've installed all of the hooks. CoolYeah Hooks come with a 1-year quality warranty, so your purchase is totally risk-free. And if you become a member of CoolYeah by signing up at www.garageage.com, we will upgrade your warranty to 2 years for free. CoolYeah is committed to your complete satisfaction. Enjoy your new hooks and your new look. This is John again for CoolYeah Hooks. I'll see you next time.